Good evening, Navika, and good evening to my fellow panelists, especially my dear friend Nikhil. But honestly, even though you know this, I'm a free speech absolutist. I think the time has come for the Election Commission to sue anyone casting allegations of malpractice or malfunctioning of EVM so as to manipulate Indian electoral process. Period. There I said it. Enough is enough. Defamation using a serious allegation of malpractice and corruption comes under defamation laws, Navika, and not under free speech. For example, someone alleging that I took a bribe of $1 million isn't free speech. It is prosecutable in order to save my reputation. The same goes for Election Commission, whose reputation and its protection is paramount for instilling confidence in the Indian population. But does the EC have it in itself to sue Rahul Gandhi? That's the point. Rahul Gandhi's allegations pertaining to Maharashtra elections specifically, inexplicable increase in voter turnout, arbitrary deletion of voters, addition of 10,000 voters constituency have been already rebutted by the EC 3 times. I repeat, 3 times. The gap in voter turnout data was due to presiding officers updating turnout data after completing statutory duties. Voter turnout data in Form 17C was shared with candidates' agents. 2,779 deletions per constituency were made transparently due to deaths, relocations, or duplicate entries. All political parties' representatives were involved. The claim that the NDA won 47 of 50 seats with 50,000 voter additions was also a lie, as only 6 constituencies saw such increases. Vote mismatches were clarified as postal ballots 5,38,225 were excluded from the initial EVM vote counts, resolving the discrepancy. Now the Congress wants to revert to ballot paper. Trust me, if elections were conducted through ballot and Congress lost, they would blame the quality of the paper from Chavdi Bazaar that went into making the ballot. Unacceptable results, manipulated elections, malfunctioning and tampering of EVM, credence is given to any man's utterances after knowing his antecedents. And over the last 11 years, we have seen these claimants for what they are. Industrial scale liars and hypocrites. Navika, just 30 seconds. It has been decades and not a single allegation regarding the EVM or VVPAT has been proven true. Supreme Court itself has looked time and again at the EVM and VVPAT question and has rejected 100% VVPAT verification, remarking, quote, that there exists not a single bona fide instance where VVPAT data did not match with EVM votes. SC itself said that reintroducing paper ballot system will undo the electoral reforms, asserting that EVMs have eliminated booth capturing, reduced paper usage, solved logistical challenges. ये क्या करना चाह रहे हैं नाविका? They want to take us back to the Stone Age?
No, they will take us back to the Stone Age, but they will accept the results as they have come even in the by-polls. They won Karnataka, EVMs were fine. They won Telangana, EVMs were fine. Himachal Pradesh, EVMs were fine. They won the by-polls in Kerala, EVMs are fine. Even the Aam Aadmi Party has won a seat in Gujarat, EVMs are fine.